Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Abdulwahid bin Nu. Today, I'm going to teach you how to type Arabic poetry in MS Word. When you want to type Arabic poetry into MS Word, you must to consider three things. You must to consider the sadru of the bite, the gap, and the ajsu of the bite. If you look into the sadru of all these bites, you can see that it is not well coordinated. It is not well arranged. The same as the ajsu. Likewise, the one that I want to show you here now, if you look into the sadru of this one and the ajsu of this one, it is well attractive and well coordinated. Let us go to the work and let me teach you how are you going to do this thing in Microsoft Word. Whenever you want to type anything like this into your Microsoft Word, the first thing that you need, click on Insert, click on Table, and select three columns because of Asodiru and the gap and the ajsu is three things. Now, click on the middle one and go to Layout. From the layout, you can make sure that you change the width of the row into 0.3, and the sadru of the byte you can use like maybe 2.7 for instance, and the ISO also 2.7 because it must to be the same. Let us start typing the work. After you've already typed this sadru of your byte like this, the next thing that you need is to click on Shift and Enter. If you click it here, nothing happen. Now you can go to Home, from your home, and go to Justify. Click on Justify Low. You can see it has done. You can go to Seconds. You can do the same and click on what? On Justify. Click Shift and Enter. After this, before you can go to Other Row, highlight your work. Select it. After the selecting, go to Layout. From the layout, go to this arrow, and click here, that is Table Property, and select here and change this one to, take for instance, is 0.5, and this one to what? To exactly. Now click on OK. You can see everything is okay now. After this, go to Home and remove the border. You can continue your work with clicking on Tab. Shift Enter. This is the way that you can continue and do the work. Whenever you are doing like this, you can click on Shift Enter whenever you have finished one column or the other column. This is the way that you can do the ajzu and sadru in a straight line. Thank you. Thanks for watching. May Allah bless you. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.